So even on 3S, you think the R90 is faster than the Liter 120? What channel you on? I'm gonna follow you.
F2.
F2? Hold on.
Yo, follow mine.
Wait, he about to.
So I want to hit him with
Hold on, he about to do something. He about to try to see if
And I want to try to hit him.
He trying to do something too. Trying to hit him and knock him off the sky.
R2?
Oh shit! Hey, unplug.
Yeah, you took over the whole signal, Jay.
I've been plugging. Don't go that far.
Been plugged in.
Are you still messed up?
Whoever just plugged in.
When you go across the trailer over there, you lose signal. Go across the trailer over there, you don't lose signal. Or when you go far away.
You might, I don't.
Well, it's not mine.
What channel you
There
on?
we go. Fuck.
It's not mine.
Yeah, I'm not. Nobody's plugged in now. I'm not plugged in.
I'm plugging, but I've been plugging.
Alright, I can't fly it.
You on channel 2?
Yeah, I am.
You on F2, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm on R1.
It says V2 on here.
Yeah, that's probably that.
Let me see.
If I go too far away, it's like knocked out.
Oh yeah, F2 and B2 is the same thing, huh? Shouldn't
They
be.
may be close.
Oh yeah.
Shit, fucking dumbass, I did.
Go fast with it. Let's see if it's faster than the R90.
Don't hurt yourself, John.
Definitely not faster than the R90. It's fast, but not faster than the R90. But watch this.
You got to put some gym fans on it though.
Watch this. That's completely dropped throttle. See how slow it's dropping?
Uh-huh. You got to put some gym fans on it. 2540s.
Oh, damn, it's real messed up over there.
You still got the stock props on it.
Oh, damn, I almost had that.
You try to power loop it. Oh, I was just about to say, bring it back in, and then let's see the speed on the R90.
Power S loops you, John.
He split S you.
Do that shit. That sounds horrible.
Oh yeah. You on the same channel with the R90?
The 4S on this is way better.
Do an inverted yaw spin.
No.
What you on 3S right now?
He said, no. Yeah, the one thing we definitely do is we have all our quads on the same channel. It's not what we call a separate jet.
Yeah, I just put all mine on F4.
Fuck, I broke a prop.
Me too. I put my King Kong down.
Well, good thing you have a corner prop.
Hey, these luminaires are nice, man. They just bounce back from
You need to switch
12.8
drones to switch your
back up to 14.2.
Oh, when you start
Yeah,
letting off on the throttle.
Yeah. Yep. That's a nice recovery. At least for now. We'll see what it do for a year from now. Oh!
Throttle warning, John.
It's not arming.
Throttle warning. It's not going to arm.
Yeah, you gotta turn that throttle.
Put your throttle down.
Dirty.
Yo, watch
got
this
those,
one, yo. Jamal. Watch this go, so you can tell if it got more
Oh,
power
he-
than yours.
Disarm.
Hold up, I'm about to see how fast his
So you can
R90 is.
so you can compare this one to yours.
To what?
I got that.
The Ghost.
Oh, okay. Hold on though.
I got that those Black Mamba ESCs.
Yeah.
Amps. They just came in today from Canada.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna solder them Jones up tonight. Put it back on that R530, the one that crashed from the race.
Mhm.
I showed you. Yeah. You got that joint back on there.
I'm jealous. I wish I
But
had.
now, if you see the V2 for that R530, they're using race wire going to a 4-in-1. So I wonder if other people had like prop strikes on that same model. You know what I mean? I mean, because how is all of a sudden that they just went to a whole new format? You know what I mean? From ESCs on the arms to 4-in-1.
Yeah.
I'm wondering if other people had the same problem when it crashed, like they had prop strikes that damaged the ESCs. Because everywhere you go, the ESCs are out. Like they're out of stock everywhere.
Mo 2 goes.
Everybody been going to 4-in-1s though.
That's true. Everyone has them. But what do you think about that?
Diatone was the only one I saw that still be having them on the arm.
All, yeah, individuals. What do you think about moving the ESCs to the rear?
All of them?
Yeah.
I don't know.
To the bottom.
That's people out there, yo.
Because that's what I was thinking about doing. I was either going to do that, or I bought this aluminum. I bought this aluminum from Lowe's, and I was just going to fabricate my own ESC covers.
Okay.
You know what I mean? Just like cut it with a Dremel. Just make just like two sides in the top. And
Like the
just glue it.
diatone ones?
Yeah, without the bottom though.
Okay.
Just without the bottom, just the sides and the top.
Yeah, just to go over top of it. And then you're going to put some huh?
Nobody under the tree out there in front of us.
No. Then you're going to put some zip ties on it?
I was going to glue it first, and then put some zip ties on it. You know what I mean? I don't know. Because the regular ESC covers, they're too big. They're too wide because those arms are too thin.
As soon as he take off, he like, ho, ho, ho.
No, I'm gonna hit a tree.
It ain't flying right, I'll tell you that. You see how much faster it is?
Yeah, it does seem like it's faster. But then again, you're flying closer to the ground, that's why. I guess we'll judge it.
Ain't nobody under the tree, right?
I mean, it's definitely got bigger motors.
Which one? The leader?
Yeah. It's, no, the R90.
But the leader has bigger props though.
Yeah, it does.
But you got the stock props on it though. Do a punch out and then go to 0 throttle. Let's see if it's floaty. Oh no, it comes down a lot faster than the leader does. You orbiting, Jay?
Rich, hold that gate up. No, I'm just kidding.
He dropped it.
My battery's done.